Are you ready to take your marketing to the next level? Don't go anywhere. In this video, we reveal the latest and greatest AI marketing techniques that will help you to boost your sales and grow your business. Trust us, you won't want to miss it. Welcome to the world of AI marketing, where technology and strategy come together to drive business growth like never before. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way businesses approach marketing and customer engagement. With its ability to harness large amounts of data, analyze patterns, and make predictions, AI is allowing businesses to create more effective, personalized campaigns and improve the customer experience. One of the most powerful ways businesses are using AI in marketing is through customer segmentation and targeting. By analyzing large amounts of customer data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and segments, allowing businesses to create more targeted, personalized campaigns that resonate with specific groups of customers. This can lead to higher engagement, conversion rates, and loyalty. However, to achieve this level of personalization, businesses must first establish a strong data strategy and ensure that the data they collect is accurate and complete. Another application of AI in marketing is content creation. AI technologies such as natural language generation and computer vision are allowing businesses to produce large quantities of high-quality marketing materials, such as written content, images, and videos. This helps companies to keep up with the fast pace of digital marketing and create personalized and diverse materials. Moreover, the computer vision technology allows the businesses to analyze images and videos to extract insights, such as emotional state, age, and gender of the audience, to tailor their message and design. Chatbots are one of the most popular applications of AI in marketing. By using natural language processing, chatbots can understand customer inquiries and respond in a way that feels natural and human. They can provide personalized product recommendations, complete transactions, and even answer customer service inquiries 24/7. This improves customer satisfaction, reduces customer service costs, and increases efficiency. Also, chatbots can provide valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences, helping businesses to understand and engage their target audiences. AI is also being used to optimize and automate ad campaigns. By analyzing data and identifying patterns, AI algorithms can optimize ad targeting, budget allocation, and even ad creative, resulting in more efficient and effective ad spend. This allows businesses to reach the right audience at the right time, with the right message, improving the ROI of ad campaigns. Furthermore, with AI, companies can track the customer journey and behavior to optimize the ads and landing pages for a better conversion. Also, to optimizing current campaigns, AI can also help businesses to predict future trends and forecast outcomes. By analyzing historical data, businesses can use AI to make more informed decisions and better predict future customer behavior. This can lead to more effective planning and budgeting, as well as new product development and innovation. Predictive analytics can also help companies to find new opportunities and reduce risks, making the decision-making more accurate. Additionally, using AI for forecasting allows businesses to make more accurate predictions about market trends and consumer behavior, enabling them to stay ahead of the curve and make strategic decisions that can impact their bottom line. AI marketing is transforming the way businesses approach marketing and customer engagement. With its ability to harness large amounts of data, analyze patterns, and make predictions, AI is allowing companies to create more effective and personalized campaigns and improve the overall customer experience. However, as with any new technology, it is important to approach AI with a clear strategy and understanding of its capabilities. By ensuring that their data is accurate, developing a well-defined goal, and implementing AI in a thoughtful and deliberate way, businesses can unleash the power of AI in their marketing efforts. And there you have it. We hope you found the insights on AI marketing strategies and tactics shared in this video valuable. Remember, by incorporating these cutting-edge techniques into your marketing strategy, you can optimize your campaigns for better results. And if you want to stay on top of the latest developments in AI marketing and other related topics, be sure to subscribe to our channel. You'll be the first to know about our new videos, so don't wait, hit the subscribe button now.